How to get a Snapchat account back without email or number. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get a Snapchat account back without email or number. First, the easiest way to recover your account is to get in touch with Snapchat support. You can either email them or visit their support website. Here, you will need to explain that you can't access your account via phone number or email. If you've connected a secondary email where all your emails are forwarded, you can manually search for the registered Snapchat email. For example, if you use Gmail, go to the advanced search and look for emails from Snapchat. Search for no_reply@snapchat.com as the sender. If you're lucky, you will find the registered email address. Next, if you use a password manager like Google Password Manager, you might be able to recover your account through it. If your Snapchat credentials are saved in the password manager, open the Google app on your phone. Go to Settings and Security, then Password Manager, and search for Snapchat. If you're already logged into Snapchat, recovering your account becomes easier. From the home screen, tap on your avatar at the top, then tap on the gear icon to access Settings. Now, go to the Password tab and choose to reset it. You can enter a new password to replace the old one. If you can't log in, go to the official Snapchat support website, select the option indicating that you can't log in, and follow the instructions. Snapchat will ask for details about your identity and linked credentials. If everything is correct, you'll be able to reset your password. Additionally, if you've lost media files from your Snapchat account, you can use a data recovery tool like Wondershare Recover It. Start by launching Recover It on your computer, selecting a location to scan. After the scan, preview the recorded files. Select the ones you want to restore and recover them to your preferred location. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.